Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're addressing a common Messenger issue where stories aren't showing up properly. Whether you're missing stories from friends, your own stories aren't appearing, or you're seeing incomplete story lists, I've got you covered with these practical solutions for 2025. Let's start with the quickest and most effective fixes. Story display issues often come down to app cache, connectivity, or privacy settings. First, let's try force closing and reopening Messenger. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to view your recent apps, find Messenger, and swipe it completely off the screen. Wait a few seconds, then reopen the app and check if stories appear correctly now. If that doesn't work, let's check your internet connection. Stories require a stable connection to load properly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists on both networks. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router or restarting it. Now, let's clear Messenger's cache. Go to your phone settings, apps, Messenger, storage. Tap Clear Cache first and test if stories appear. If not, go back and tap Clear Data. This will reset the app without deleting your messages, though you'll need to log in again. If you're still experiencing issues, let's check for app updates. Outdated apps can cause story display problems. Open your App Store, search for Messenger, and install any available updates. Facebook frequently releases updates that fix story-related bugs. For those using Facebook's cross-platform features, let's check your story settings. Open Facebook proper and go to your story settings to ensure everything is synchronized properly between platforms. If the problem continues, let's verify your privacy settings. Sometimes restrictions can affect story visibility. Check that you haven't accidentally restricted certain friends or been restricted by others. As a last resort, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling Messenger. Before doing this, ensure your messages are backed up. Uninstall the app, restart your phone, then download a fresh copy from your App Store. After reinstalling, log back in and check if the story issue is resolved. I know how frustrating it is when Messenger stories don't show up properly, especially when you're trying to stay updated with friends and family. One of these solutions should restore your story functionality. For most people, simply updating the app or clearing its cache does the trick. If this guide helped you resolve your Messenger story issues, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more social media troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.